The Bhutan Civil Aviation Authority, BCAA, has successfully completed the initial Air Operator Certificate, AOC, audit for Bhutan's first private helicopter company, Heli Bhutan Private Limited. This marks a major milestone in the advancement of Bhutan's domestic aviation sector, particularly in rotorcraft operations. The comprehensive 3-day audit evaluated Heli Bhutan's preparedness across key operational areas, including organizational structure and management systems, flight operations and crew training, quality management system, safety management systems (SMS), ground operations. Throughout the process, BCAA inspectors work closely with Heli Bhutan's management and operational teams to assess regulatory compliance and readiness for commercial helicopter operations.